Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fruit English. I'm Hannah, and I'm so happy you're here today. Today, we are going to learn how to make requests politely in English. Knowing how to ask for things politely is very important in everyday life, whether at school, at home, or in public. It helps you communicate respectfully and get things done smoothly. Have you ever wanted to ask someone for help, borrow something, or request a favor politely but didn't know what to say? Or maybe you wanted to respond politely when someone makes a request. Don't worry. In this episode, we'll learn simple and polite ways to make requests. You'll learn useful phrases, sentence structures, and polite expressions that beginners can use confidently. Today, we will practice making requests politely using simple phrases, asking for help in different situations, responding politely when someone requests something, using simple modal verbs and phrases, practicing short, polite sentences. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to make requests politely, respond politely, and communicate clearly in English. Take a deep breath, think about situations where you might need to make a request, and let's start practicing step by step. Making requests politely becomes easier when you know key phrases and vocabulary. Step 1. Simple, polite requests. Can you help me, please? Could I borrow your pen? Would you mind opening the window? Step 2. Using modal verbs politely. Can, could, would, and may. Could you tell me the time? Would you help me with my homework? Step 3. Adding polite expressions. Please, thank you, if it's okay, I would appreciate it. Could you please pass the salt? I would appreciate it if you could help me. Step 4. Responding politely. Sure, no problem. Of course, I'd be happy to help. I'm sorry, I can't right now, but maybe later. Step 5. Using simple adjectives. Helpful, kind, friendly, polite, easy. Example conversation. A. Could you help me carry this bag, please? B. Of course, I'm happy to help. A. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Using polite phrases, clear sentences, and modal verbs makes your conversation smooth and respectful. Practice making requests and responding to polite requests. Making requests. Q. How do you ask someone to open a window politely? A. Could you please open the window? Q. I need help with my homework. What can I say? A. Would you help me with my homework, please? Responding politely. Q. Someone says, could you pass me the book? What do you say? A. Sure, here you go. Q. Someone asks, would you help me carry these bags? What do you say? A. Of course, I'd be happy to help. Polite alternatives. If it's okay, could you help me? I would appreciate it if you could explain this to me. Thank you for helping me. Practicing these examples helps you make polite requests and respond politely in English. Making requests politely happens in daily social interactions. With friends or classmates, could you help me with this exercise, please? Would you mind passing me the notebook? Can I borrow your pen for a moment? With family or neighbors, would you mind closing the door? Could you please help me carry the groceries? I would appreciate it if you could explain this to me. Polite responses. Sure, no problem. Of course, I'd be happy to help. I'm sorry, I can't right now, but maybe later. Tips. Speak slowly and politely. Use modal verbs like can, could, would, and may. Add please and thank you. Keep your sentences short and clear. Polite requests help you communicate effectively and maintain good relationships. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to make requests politely in English. We practiced asking for help, borrowing items, responding politely, and using modal verbs and polite phrases. Remember, short, clear, and polite sentences are enough. Using simple words like please, thank you, could, and would makes your conversation polite and easy to understand. Here is your practice for today. Say these out loud. Could you help me with this exercise, please? Would you mind opening the window? I would appreciate it if you could explain this to me. Try practicing these phrases with friends, classmates, or family. Practicing will help you speak confidently, politely, and clearly when making requests in English. Thank you for listening to Fruit English. I'm Hannah, and I'm proud of you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and enjoy making polite requests in English.